Right, hi, this is Chloe and Alicia. Show yourself to the peoples.
Alicia.
Right, oh, turn on. I'm Comedy LCK.
Show us hugs the camera.
Yeah, now I'm done with the video now. Right, and in this video, I will be opening the fire jar and Alicia will be flinging this condom filled with water. Come on then.
By the way, it's a heavy one. Show them that you can't pick it up.
Oh yeah.
You can't just pick it up like this.
Okay, but it's
Too heavy. Too heavy.
Come on then. You have to open the door. Open the door for me then.
Looks a bit like a cock like that, doesn't it?
Open it! Really? I have to run it with this in my hand.
Just fling it and we won't open the fire door.
No, I won't open the fire door.
I'm not. Casual. You look numb. Well, this isn't a thing that the customers want to see, is it? Chloe's roots are nearly gone.
I know, I'm gonna die like this weekend or next week. That's all I know.
It's all good then?
Yeah.
Where are we going here? Oh, you're gonna have to fucking run.
No, it's not on video.
I'm not shotting that. It's all on video. He's the fire door.
It's on video, Alicia.
Hey? Don't know.
Video me. Hey.
She's a gamer.
Look, I'm all running. No video. This way. And you'll probably see them all running.
Wait there, I'm pretending to be on it. Hey, look, it's kitchens. Remember when we came here when we nicked off school?
Yeah.
Hey, that was a good
Because
day.
I was normal, don't I?
Oh,
Not the video the day though, wasn't it?
Is there going to be a fire? Yeah. This is us acting like we care.
Look.
You're getting proper looks, you. Anyway, how'd you get out? You are getting so many dirty looks. That noise is grinding through me. How do I get out?
Oh no, I thought everyone locked out the exit.
For a reason?
This is because it wasn't.
Right now we just can't get out.
No, we're out.
Oh,
Please
yeah.
remove your card.
Remove the card.
Please insert your card into
Alicia!
Be careful. We're taking it to the carpet shop.
Yeah. Right, stop it then.